Who tell you so we have no big giveaway over here, Dufton? I think this is more entertaining than just being a giveaway. But yes, these gentlemen do have a chance to win something. Wanna see all them treats we have Friday morning time, right? And I could do all manner of foolishness and all of them stuff there, don't it? Well, guess what? A time for Uno take some of the bad treatment because we're tired of it. Neville and me and Simone are gonna strike. We're not doing any more foolishness. So, guess what? We have these three wonderful gentlemen who are up here, and in front of them, we have three back to school lunch pan. And you see this one here is specifically for this gentleman because he said he likes pink. So, right now, we are going to ask these gentlemen to step up to the plate. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you
ready?
Yes, yes.
Are you ready, clone number 2? Yeah! All right, he's ready. See, I told you he liked pink. All right, here is the aim, right? The aim is you are going to open the lunch pan, not yet. And when you open the lunch pan, whatever you find in the lunch pan, you have 3 minutes. 3 minutes? 2. Thank you. 2 minutes to eat it. Whoever gets the furthest in eating whatever is into the pan will win those prizes over there. Pardon?
Eat up everything first?
You have to eat off as much as you can in 3 minutes. Are you ready? Mr. DJ, and I'm not eating music. Are you ready? On your mark, you have 2 minutes. Pull your cork. No. You don't know on your mark, pull your cork, drink. On your mark. Pull your cork. Eat. Oh my, and they started with the banana. Everybody chose to go with the banana first. And look at them, they're down in the banana. And he's all the way to, and clown number 3, you have to swallow. You have to swallow it. You have to swallow it. It have to go, all right. And there is something else in there. And there is an apple. And clown number 1 is ahead. All right, clown number 1. You're not for eat the paper, you're not for eat the paper. All the paper on the apple, if I eat, everything gone down. Watch out. All right, you have to swallow, yeah? Swallow. Watch out. No, my youth. Hello, wanna stay away from this one. You're dangerous. This one is dangerous. Stay very far from him. Him teeth them look like razor. So why are you intimidating the young man? Eat your apple. All the seed him eat. Everything gone. Everything gone down. Seed everything. No. See piece of apple left. You try to eat that. You only have 1 minute to go. Let's see who's going to make it the furthest. You only have 1 minute left. 1 minute. We don't have a timer. And he's into the Capri Sun. And he's... Come on, let's see how far you can go. And how long do we have? Oh my goodness, all the plastic I get eaten. The plastic, don't eat the plastic, it can't digest. We've got 10, 9, 8, 7, count them down, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop now. Swallow, stop it. Put it down. All right, guys, make us show you so no don't think we're cheating. It's an empty lunch pan. This lunch pan is not empty. There is a whole heap of apple left right here. So a whole heap of apple. So you just disqualify yourself because guess what? I see an empty lunch pan over here. Not even the stick of the apple nor the seed left. So guess what? We're going to decide who ate most of the tea. Oh, this wet, sir! No, man! Okay, guys. This is 1 and this is 2. Who win? Clown number 1 or clown number 2? All right, guys. We're going to go for a break.